Hello. As most of you know, I just turned 40 in December. Well, some of you do, some of you don't. But anyway, I was just I'm making this because my sons, they call me old now because I'm 40, and they think, oh, Dad, you're going to be going to a retirement home now and this and that, da da da. I'm like, hey, I said, if you guys are going to look like me at 40, I'd be like, oh, no, look at me now, Dad. I'm looking like this now. At this age, I said, hey, you guys are 22, well, my oldest, 22 years and younger than me. He's 22 years old, younger than me. And so I'm just like, hey, you know, yeah, you can outrun me at 14, 15 or whatever it was, and you could do a couple other things. And without, you know, hey man, can you turn this down? Can you turn it down? Anyway, so I was like, hey, you got Marzel, turn that down. I'm doing this video.
Gucci, Scoochie, Bird, Gucci, Bird.
What the hell happened?
40 happened, Dad. 40 happened.
How I feel today.